Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia, and today we are going to be starting to decorate for the holidays. And the first place I'm starting is with my bedroom. So today's video is going to be a decorate with me, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this really cozy, natural retreat in our bedroom, and how I also did it affordably by showing you guys my tips and tricks when it comes to decorating and cleaning and rearranging furniture and everything like that. So if you guys want to stick along, I'd love to have you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. My first tip when it comes to starting to decorate for Christmas or planning to decorate for Christmas is to clean the area first. So you definitely want to start with a clean house when you start to decorate for Christmas. So I did a clean with me pre-Christmas video, which I'll link down below or in the corner here. You can watch that and get some inspiration on cleaning your house before decorating for Christmas. But that's like one of my biggest tips because it'll make the process so much easier when you start with a clean palette. So I decided that this little nook in our bedroom was going to be our Christmas themed nook. So I'm just gonna put a little tree up in here, decorate the area for a little bit. And so I'm doing kind of a deeper clean. This is the perfect time to dust the floorboards, wipe away the walls if there's any marks, that kind of thing. So I'm really taking the time to just really clean this area and make it look great for the holidays. And sometimes when it comes to decorating, you have to rearrange the layout of your room or move furniture around. So I did have to move the dresser a little bit. Ideally, if we did not have a Christmas tree, the dresser would not be off-centered, but you gotta have to like make do with what you have. And that's like one of my biggest tips when it comes to decorating, and you'll see in my whole house, is that I kind of use what I already have as decorations. We don't have tons of storage in our house, and I know some of you don't have tons of storage, so it's really great to not have just huge amount of solely Christmas decorations. So as you can see, I do have some Christmas decorations, but I also like to utilize things that I already have and that I can use year round, like fluffy blankets, lots of candles, lights, that kind of thing, to really create the Christmas cozy atmosphere without the items solely being for Christmas. So that being said, the color scheme that I went for our bedroom was very light, bright, and cozy because that's the colors that we have in our bedroom anyway. Very natural, white, and linen style. So I really wanted to do that, but with the Christmas decor, and that way I don't need to spend tons of money going out and getting everything red and switching everything out of our room. This way we can just add some simple touches and make the place look really festive and nice without spending tons of money or having to store tons of Christmas decorations. So I'm going to speed through this fluffing of the tree because it takes honestly forever. It's one of the things that, in putting up the Christmas lights, that just take forever and are so tedious, but it makes all the difference. So you definitely want to fluff up your tree and make it nice, especially if it's fake. We tend to have fake Christmas trees. This year I actually got my first little Christmas tree in the kitchen, which I'll show during our Christmas house tour, but I've always grown up with fake Christmas trees. It's just easier to store, and I just like it. So it's nice being able to put up the tree whenever you'd like, but you have to make sure that you fluff it up to make it look decent. This tree was actually our first Christmas tree that we had when we moved to Australia, and it was only like $15, maybe $10. I wasn't planning on being home for Christmas, so I didn't see the tree much, but I figured instead of getting rid of it, let's just put it in the bedroom. And it looks really, really nice. So with decorating, I like to try out different things and kind of see what I like and what I don't. I never have a set plan. So as you can see with the tinsel, I tried it on the tree, decided I didn't like it, put it aside, not going to use it this year, not a big deal. So that's just kind of what I do with decorating in general. I just move stuff around all the time, which you'll see in my process when I start putting things back together. But next I'm going to do the lights. And how long lights take, I swear, I now understand how amazing pre-lit Christmas trees are. Like, they take forever to light up, so definitely going to think about doing that next year, but it's not too long. It took me about 20 minutes to do the lights, and they're not perfect, but I'm happy enough with them. And once you turn them on, I feel like just the glow of the lights just makes the whole Christmas tree. So this was a pretty devastating moment when I plugged in the Christmas tree lights and realized that it was color and not white, which is what I wanted. So I definitely recommend plugging in your lights before spending 25 minutes wrapping them around your Christmas tree. So about a half an hour later, after I got the colored lights on and off and then put the white lights on, I started decorating my tree. And so how I went about this was that I already had all these ornaments from last year, and what I do is I lay all my Christmas decorations out and then organize them by specific rooms or color schemes and stuff like that. That way I know that all this warm, white, cozy kind of decorations are going to go in the bedroom, and all the red and berry, richer colors are for the living room, and that way I don't have to dig through stuff all the time to find decorations. It's already sorted. So now that the tree is up and fully decorated, I'm moving back the furniture pieces like the chair, ottoman, and coffee table, side table thing, and I'm just gonna rearrange stuff. Like I said before, I just kind of move stuff around, see what looks good, see what I like, see what I don't like, and kind of go from there. So I definitely recommend decorating that way and just playing around with things and see what you like, see what you don't, and go from there. So I decided that I was pretty happy with the setup. However, I felt like because of the angle of the chair and table that it kind of closed off the nook, and I wanted you to walk into the bedroom and be opened up to it. So what I basically did was I completely just switched it around, flip-flopped it, so that it was the same setup of the table on the same side and everything like that, but just rearranged it so the tree was more towards the dresser and not towards the window, just because I felt like that created a better atmosphere and a nice flow to the space. So also play with layout of things, and if you like how something is but not fully, just try switching things up. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think that it just is so cozy, and I love how the tree is, and I want it year round in our room. So to finish off the rest of the room, I didn't go really overboard at all. I just kind of decorated the nightstands a little bit by adding some knickknacks and cleaning up the space, and then just added some lights on the dresser to give more ambiance to the room. So this is our bedroom Christmas makeover. I hope you guys gained some inspiration and tips of how you can affordably decorate your space by utilizing what you already have and still be able to create an amazing Christmas room. So I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more holiday videos from me, and don't forget to check the links below for my Amazon shop, my blog, all the social links and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy decorating.